Hi, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we are going to dive into regex operator in MongoDB. This operator is used for pattern matching in the string fields, and it allows you to search for the documents that match a specified pattern within a field. Regex operator helps you for searching the documents where a string field matches a certain pattern. Find all students whose student name starts with the letter O. You can use the regex operator to write the query db.students.find. In the condition for the student field name, use the regex operator and give the regex expression. Let's see it in action. db.students.find, and inside the condition you just mention the field name student name. Pass the regex object here, regex, and give the regex expression caret, and I will just give j. Okay, just enclose this with the string. Also add the projection for student name 1 and exclude the underscore id. Not wrong in this. Okay, this condition is not closed. If you want the search to be case insensitive, you can use the $options modifier with the flag I. This I flag makes the regex search to be case insensitive. I will just change this pattern to small j. This query will match the names that start with either small j or capital G. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.